Hello everyone, welcome back to Slanero Gaming, and today once again we are playing Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced. This is one of my favorite games so far for this year, and I am just loving this game. I am playing this game on my ultra-wide monitor. This is the Samsung Odyssey G8 34-inch OLED panel obviously, and the graphic cards I'm using is the RTX 5070. And yeah, been loving this game.
On some sail.
And with that said, let's just get into our mission. And we are supposed to go here. Alright. Let's rock and roll. La 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 la.
Fast as you dare.
And also let me know in the comment section how you guys are finding out this game. I know this is a remake, so maybe majority of the players have not ever or might not have bought this game again because they're like, we already finished the 2013 version. But for me specifically, I did not get the chance to play the previous one. So which is why for me this is like a brand new game. But I'm a huge fan of the Assassin's Creed series in general. And yeah, so lots of sailing and moving in water, but that's the whole point, right? We are pirates in a way. So let's see. Hopefully no one attacks us on this, but I should not collide with this guy. But oh no, they're fighting, never mind. So they're fighting. I don't want to get into their fighting thing unless we bump into each other, which hopefully we won't, right? Yeah. Okay. I think a good thing to do in this game is to just make sure that whenever you explore a new land, get yourself like an eagle point or synchronize, so that way you can fast travel. That's been super helpful for me. But when you have to explore a new land, then you gotta explore a new land.
Give everything he's got. Suspicious.
Oh. Oh my god. You wanna fight?
Toast the rock!
Oh, you wanna fight? Oh no, maybe. Oh. Maybe I messed with the wrong people.
Hold on! Give me some speed!
No way. Man. Oh my god. They were kind of like too strong for me, I believe. I don't think I can go back there again. I'll do this mission instead. I'll come back later, upgrade my ship, and then we'll get and go into that area. I am too weak for now. Alright. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. That was close. I'm glad the game did add a rolling dodge feature where you can avoid the full damage. So that's good.
A modicum of prudence might be in order. No?
orders, they say.
You returned. Have you brought your conscience?
I want my key.
Patience is a virtue.
Expecting company.
You may have your key sooner than you think. Help us defend the Bureau. The men we freed will help.
Oh, nice. Alright. Come on.
To the right!
Let me look here first, or I can look. Wait, I can look. Alright, thank you. Defeat interns and the Maroons. Oh, sorry, coming. All right, now what? Why are you guys stuck? Okay, now what? Hello?
It is too quiet. I do not trust it. There will be more of them.
Okay.
Anto, it's all over. The other safe houses are burning, and the English are coming for what's left of us.
Calm, warrior. Can you make a feast?
Yes.
Why
Then
can't
it is
I?
not yet over. Edward, the soldiers will chase the surviving Maroons back to us. We must protect them. The more of them you kill now, the less effective they will be in the next wave. Another wave from the south! Maroons coming! Keep them safe! There are so many left. This will be difficult. Advance! To the left! Another wave from the west!
Oh, you think you're so smart? You think you're so smart, eh? There you go.
Make sure those men get to safety. Defend me!
Dare you!
You think you're so smart?
The survivors are safe, but the English are regrouping. The time for bluster has passed. They are massing for a final push to kill us all.
Okay,
They
whatever.
offer no quarter. So it's none they'll receive.
Remain alert, men. More will be coming.
Repel the final attack. Okay.
Keep up!
Oh.
Keep your heads low.
All right. Yes, sir. Oh. All right. Hello, baby.
Many of them still. It will be tough.
Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Oh,
That's no surprise. I sail with them, Anto.
Growing conviction. There are so many who can handle this one-handed.
all right.
Now that was pretty.
Edward, I am glad you showed up when you did. I'm sorry I have no key to give you, but
No, the key can wait. Whoever did this, I want to teach them a lesson.
the Templar's name is Kenneth Abraham. He's part of an ongoing war with the Maroons. But we have held strong and will not be defeated. Let me devise a plan. I will see you at the market.